Mastering idiomatic expressions. Get the mix right. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the world of idiomatic expressions. Our focus will be on understanding and using the phrase, get the mix right. This expression is common in both casual and professional contexts, and mastering it can really add a natural flair to your English conversations. So, let's get started. Get the mix right is an idiomatic expression used to describe the process of finding the perfect balance or combination of different elements or aspects in a situation. This phrase is often used in scenarios where a delicate balance is crucial for success. Think of it like finding the right ingredients for a recipe. Too much or too little of something can change the entire outcome. The origins of "get the mix right" are not precise, but it is commonly used in contexts like cooking, music production, and team management. In cooking, it refers to the right balance of ingredients. In music, it's about balancing different sounds and volumes. In a team setting, it could mean having the right combination of skills and personalities. Understanding the context is key to using this phrase effectively. 1. In business, our company's success hinges on our ability to get the mix right between experienced professionals and fresh talent. 2. In relationships, for a healthy relationship, it's important to get the mix right between personal space and time spent together. 3. In everyday life, creating a relaxing home environment requires you to get the mix right between comfort, functionality, and aesthetics. When learning idiomatic expressions, it's easy to make mistakes. Here are a couple to avoid with "get the mix right." Don't use it in a literal sense where no combination or balance is involved. Be cautious of the context. This phrase is more suited to situations where balance and blending are essential. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, "get the mix right." Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one can add color and depth to your English. We hope you find the right mix of phrases to make your English conversations more vibrant and engaging. Don't forget to practice, and see you in the next video.